Isomorphic Labs recently closed a Series B funding round worth $2.1 billion. This massive capital injection signals a major shift. AI biology is maturing out of its initial digital research phase. This new funding is designed to build a vertically integrated AI pharmaceutical company, taking drug candidates from computer simulations directly into clinical development. Sir Demis Hassabis founded the lab, but the corporate structure is very specific. Isomorphic is a standalone Alphabet subsidiary. It operates in parallel to Google DeepMind rather than beneath it. Isomorphic has moved drug discovery into a capitalized industrial pipeline. Finding a new drug has traditionally meant years of wet lab trial and error. The new computational approach aims to replace that physical guesswork with a strict engineering model. The engine driving this pipeline is IsoDDE, the Isomorphic Drug Design Engine. It maps out physical and chemical interactions to predict exactly how a small molecule binds to a biological target. This chart shows how IsoDDE compares to previous benchmarks. In predicting complex protein ligand structures, IsoDDE more than doubles the accuracy of AlphaFold 3. It is now faster and more accurate than gold standard physics-based supercomputer models. By modeling the physics natively, IsoDDE treats biology as a predictable engineering discipline. This new round, led by Thrive Capital, brings Isomorphic's total funding to $2.7 billion. The funding round saw significant new participation from major global sovereign wealth funds, specifically including Abu Dhabi's MGX and Singapore's Temasek. This signals a geopolitical pivot. Sovereign capital is moving beyond silicon chips and data centers, positioning AI healthcare as a primary multi-trillion-dollar battleground for the global economy. CEO Demis Hassabis has confirmed a specific clinical timeline for this capital. Isomorphic plans to have multiple AI-designed therapeutics enter Phase 1 human trials by late 2026. The pharmaceutical industry is already validating this approach through co-development partnerships with Novartis, Johnson & Johnson, and Eli Lilly. Large-scale pharma companies are effectively outsourcing their early-stage discovery to these AI-native laboratories. Isomorphic is part of a wider move toward automated discovery. We are seeing the rise of self-driving wet labs, where AI agents design and execute biological experiments with minimal human oversight. This acceleration is measurable. AI can compress a standard 5 to 7 year discovery pipeline into less than 1 year. As these medical technologies advance, it is important to distinguish AI bio from other high-profile tech like Neuralink. Neuralink is strictly an AI-Neuro company. Its focus is on hardware, neuroscience, and brain-computer interfaces. AI bio is a separate discipline. It focuses on the modeling of biological systems, protein engineering, and cellular design. AI-Neuro is strictly a signal decoding problem, while AI bio is a systems architecture problem. Mapping those systems led to the most radical application of the AI bio wave, cellular age reversal. David Sinclair's work in epigenetic reprogramming is now a central component of AI-accelerated biology. The process uses 3 Yamanaka factors to reset cellular aging markers, essentially returning the cell to a more youthful state. While AI did not invent the underlying biology, it compressed decades of research into years by rapidly optimizing reprogramming protocols and modeling gene expression. In early 2026, Life Biosciences received official FDA IND clearance for ER100 to treat glaucoma. This is the first cellular rejuvenation therapy using epigenetic reprogramming to reach human clinical trials. The FDA's clearance means AI-accelerated cellular rejuvenation is now a regulated clinical reality. Maintaining this clinical momentum requires a massive expansion in specialized computing infrastructure. Modeling the 3D physics of complex biomolecules creates a heavy demand for high-end GPU and TPU clusters. If you found this deep dive valuable, please hit that like button, share it, and subscribe to KYC AI Labs for more science behind the AI headlines.